Today I'm going to discuss what is cash reserve ratio. Already I made 21 video on this chapter, and today I'm going to make video number 22 regarding cash reserve ratio. Okay, what is reserve ratio? I'm going to discuss it. Okay, and in my previous video already I have discussed what is deficit demand and measure to correct deficient demand. Already I have discussed in my previous video. In this video you will understand what is cash reserve ratio, and in next video you will understand what is SLR means. Okay, what is cash reserve ratio? I'm going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of it. Cash reserve ratio needs to be reduced to overcome the situations of deficient demand and decrease in the CRR. Means that commercial banks are required to keep less cash with the central bank. Okay, consequently cash flow with commercial banks increases, which will increase the capacity of banks to give loans and advances. Or cash reserve ratio is a direct, quick and effective methods of controlling the power of commercial bank, okay, to give loans and advances. Okay, this is the definition of cash reserve ratio. And what is cash reserve ratio? You are going to understand it. I am going to discuss with the help of examples. Try to understand what do you mean by cash reserve ratio. I am going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of it, then you can understand it very well without any problem and hesitation. Try to understand what do you mean by cash reserve ratio. Okay, so cash CRR means cash reserve ratio. Okay, uh, it means what? This is amount of fund. What is this? Is amount of fund. This amount of fund means what is this? This is amount of fund. Commercial bank, it means what? कमर्शियल बैंक को आरबीआई के साथ डिपॉजिट करना पड़ता है एडवांस. एक ऐसा अमाउंट जो कमर्शियल बैंक को आरबीआई के साथ डिपॉजिट करना पड़ता है एडवांस. इट ओके, तो दिस इज द अमाउंट ऑफ फंड, ओके, which is deposited with RBI. Okay, now 4% rate is going on. Okay, so on this CRR no interest on CRR. How I am going to discuss it? Try to understand. Suppose here is a bank. Okay, here is a bank. Okay, suppose he has 100 crores. Okay, बैंक के पास मान लेते हैं 100 करोड़ रुपया है. क्लियर? इस 100 करोड़ रुपया में से जो है he will give money to RBI. Okay, he will give money to RBI. ये 100 करोड़ रुपया आए कहाँ से इसके पास? पहले इसको हम लोग जानेंगे. 100 करोड़ रुपया आए कहाँ से बैंक के पास? पब्लिक. कौन दिया? पब्लिक डिपॉजिट. पब्लिक ने बैंक को दिया जो है. ठीक है. हाउ? सेविंग बैंक के द्वारा, करेंट अकाउंट के द्वारा जो है. और कौन दिया इसको? हु हैज अनदर कंपनी. कंपनी दिया जो है. हु हैज गिवन? कंपनी. ओके, और गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो भी government organizations, company has given or government organization has given to the money to bank. Okay, NDTL means what? Net demand and time liabilities. Okay, it means what? In saving bank, saving account and current account you can withdraw money with in any time, but fixed deposit you cannot withdraw money anytime. Okay, because there is a time limit. So net demand and time liabilities, here is time liabilities. Okay, आफ्टर समय होने के बाद ही हम लोग फिक्स डिपॉजिट का मनी निकाल सकते हैं जो है. तो बैंक को कौन पैसा दिया? पहला दिया कंपनी, दूसरा दिया जो है पब्लिक. 100 करोड़ रुपया इसके पास हुआ. होने के बाद ये आरबीआई को हाउ मच मनी he is bound to give, okay, to RBI. How much money? 4%. 4% of NDTL. ठीक है, this is NDTL. 4% एमिटेबल, इसी को तो RBI इसका मतलब 4 करोड़ रुपया RBI 4 करोड़ कैश के फॉर्म में रखता है, 4 करोड़ कैश के फॉर्म में रखता है जो है, क्लियर। 100 करोड़ में से जो है 4 करोड़ रुपया RBI कैश के फॉर्म में रखता है जो, ठीक है। इसी को हम लोग जो क्या बोलते हैं, CRR मीन्स व्हाट, कैश रिजर्व रेशियो, क्लियर। इसी को CRR हम लोग बोलेंगे जो। और RBI ये 4 करोड़ रुपया जो कैश के फॉर्म में रखा, इसके इट मीन्स व्हाट 4% कैश के फॉर्म में रखा, और ये 4% जो ये रखा, बैंक इसको जो है लोन के रूप में नहीं दे सकता है जो है 4% को जो है, ठीक है। बैंक कैन नॉट गिव लोन टू पब्लिक, क्लियर। तो आफ्टर दैट देर विल नॉट CRR जो 4 करोड़ रुपया जो है बैंक RBI को दिया, इसके ऊपर कोई इंटरेस्ट जो है बैंक को नहीं मिलेगा जो है। इसका मतलब जितना कम CRR होगा उतना अच्छा होगा जो है, मतलब जितना कम बैंक को देना पड़ेगा उतना बढ़िया है, ठीक है, क्लियर। नाउ in 2018 I am going to discuss it. CRR was 4% and SLR was 19.5%, 19.5 crore, clear. CRR 4% and SLR 95. In this way, February 2020, okay, February 2020, CRR was 4% and SLR was 18.25%. In this way, it changed year by year. Okay, so this is CRR. I think you can you understood very well without any problem and hesitation. Now I will discuss next topic, SLR. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.